How to change country or region on DJI Mimo application. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to DJI Mimo app. Here in DJI Mimo application, go to profile. On the lower right side on your screen, tap profile. Here in profile, you can see here the profile picture and name. Okay, you can tap this and you can see here the pencil icon. Okay, you can tap this and now you can see here the country and region. The country and region is set into Philippines. Okay, to change this, okay, you'll have to do is tap this and you can see the option. So you can scroll down for more region available. So for my example, I change into Congo. And after you select the region or country, okay, tap the check button on the upper right side on your screen to save. And after that, tap the check button on the upper right side on your screen again to save. And update personal information success. And okay, we have successfully changed the country or region on DJI Mimo application. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.